Legendary Beats.
If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like. Yeah. All of this money, I've been losing my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa, and today I decided to bring to you guys my creation of this wet look on my UNice Hair wig. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like this style. Comment down below if you want to see me do any other hairstyles with this wig, and I'll be happy to do it because I really like doing anything hair related and trying new hairstyles. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course give this video a like if you want to see more of these, and comment down below if you like this hairstyle and if you want to recreate it and try it yourself, and of course if you want to see anything else. But anyways, let's get into the video. So guys, this look is really simple. All you really need, let me tell you, is water, okay? Preferably in a spray bottle because it's just easier to like get your hair saturated without making a mess, basically. Then of course a brush. Don't judge my brush, there's a lot of hair on it, but a brush, whichever one you want to use, honestly. And some mousse, of course. Now the mousse that I'm going to be using is the one by Garnier Fructis, and it's the Curl Construction Mousse Creation. And I didn't like this on my curly wigs, but for this hair, for this look that I'm going for, it actually works really well. And it works really well also to like tame your flyaways. It works perfectly, guys. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I already kind of brushed out my hair, but I'm gonna brush it out again. Before, I'm just going to part it in two sections, because if you watch my video where I was curling this hair, I said that basically two sections is easier for me to work in. The next thing we're gonna do is take your spray bottle and you're basically gonna spray that whole section, okay? You want it to be like damp but not like dripping wet. So basically, and yeah, if you have a frontal like me, you want to be careful not to spray your frontal. I normally don't go that high just because I don't want to. So yeah, basically I wanted some sections didn't get saturated, so I'm going to saturate them a little more. And I'm gonna brush it out a little bit, not that much. And then I'm gonna take my mousse, and you wanna shake it really well before. We had another one like this, guys, but the bottle broke. I don't know how it broke, don't ask me how. But yeah, basically you wanna put a lot in your hands, okay? Like, I've learned that a lot is what makes it better, because then otherwise some parts are not going to like stay basically in a wet look. Okay, so I'm starting with this. This is funny right now, guys, but trust me. And you don't want to do like me and put it everywhere, but basically like just saturate your hair and focus on the front, because obviously the front of your hair is the part that people are gonna see more compared to the back. The first time I did this, I made the mistake to kind of focus on the back, and yeah, basically my front looked frizzy after a few minutes. But yeah, basically you want to keep doing that. I'm gonna add a little more because we need more. Like I said, we need a lot. So yeah, my camera cut off, but basically that's how it looks right now. And I'm gonna add just a little more like on the top so that it all looks wet, you know? But you don't want to add too much, but just a little bit so that it fits. And yeah, basically once that's done, you just scrunch it up so that it like looks more wavy, you know what I mean? and not like so straight. Okay, and this is what it's looking like, and I'll basically do the same thing on the other side. Anyways, this hair is body wave, so it would like give me waves anyways, but I'm just doing this so that it's like more pronounced, you know what I mean? So guys, this is the final look. This is my wet look basically, and it's kind of drying because it's been kind of 5 minutes. Yeah, it's really simple and really easy, so I hope you guys recreate it and find it easy to recreate. And of course, just a short disclaimer, when you do use mousse, sometimes it gives you like that crunchy feeling. If you don't like that, then you know, maybe this is not for you, but basically I don't mind it, so you know, I just do it, whatever. And yeah, I really like it. I've been wearing this hairstyle for a few, I would say I've tried it over the last few weeks a lot, and I really like it. So it's become one of my go-tos to kind of switch it up, especially when you don't want to do too much with your hair. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, of course subscribe to this channel, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? But yeah, subscribe, give this video a like, of course, if you want to see more hair tutorials, and comment down below if you recreate this or if you want to recreate it. And if you want to see any more hair tutorial, if there's anything else, if you have any other questions, of course comment down below and I'll reply really quickly. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in our next video, guys. Bye.
What else? Your body go kill me. Yeah. Up in the bomb, baby. Ram town. Yeah. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, yeah.